like a 6 amp battery. I'm gonna also try with the smaller size batteries on a very thick concrete. So I'm barely pressing and that thing rips like crazy. So I also want to try like a very small battery, 2 amp battery. So that's the smallest battery I have. It kind of stops once in a while, it looks like, but it still rips from the start. Yeah, it kind of like, I don't know if the battery overheats, but it kind of pauses after some time. But it's just a great drill for it. It works awesome. I'm surprised it's so powerful.